follow the very, very detailed step-by-step training that I've laid out in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Training Program, follow that. I mean, I could sit here and talk you through it, but why do that when it's all laid out for you beautifully along with checklists, to-do lists, and extra pieces of information? And I think it's across 4 or 5 different videos. So I cover the whole thing in crazy details, and that is what's working best. So the training program that you're in is bang up to date. That's what's working the very, very best right now. And from memory, it is all in module number 6. Module number 6, Joe. So I would definitely do that. The only other thing that I would add to that, just as an aside, I guess, is when you're doing any paid advertisements. So one of the things I show you in those particular models is to do potentially some paid advertising using Google AdWords or things like that. Make sure that you've got reviews. Do not try to launch your product onto Amazon using paid traffic until you have reviews. At least 10 reviews. At least 10 reviews, I think, is the minimum. In fact, there is a very, very good argument to be made that Amazon believes 30 reviews is the sweet spot for the number of reviews that they believe you should have. And the reason that we can make that argument is because Amazon's got a particular new product in beta whereby for $1,000 they will get you your first 30 reviews. Now that suggests that Amazon's done its homework, and we know they do, and that they know that the number of reviews that is best to have is 30 plus. So that would suggest that. And so there's a good argument to be made that Amazon believes 30 is the sweet spot, at least 30. And I would say, just anecdotally, at least 10 is going to get you there, particularly in Australia. So Australia and the US are very, very different markets, very, very different. The US is crazily competitive and Australia just isn't. So if you get 10 reviews here in Oz, you're good to go. If you get 10 reviews in the States, it kind of gets lost. And it's all about apples and apples comparisons. If two products, all things being equal, are pretty much the same, then the product with the most number of reviews is the product what will get purchased. All things being the same. So yeah, so that's what I would do. Go and study the training that I put together. I've gone into it in great deal. It's launched a large number of products onto Amazon now and done very, very well, and I've laid it out all for you step by step. So just go and follow the training. That's the best thing you can do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.